Every time elderflowers bloom, I'm reminded of Nonna Maria and one of her most cherished recipes. I met Nonna Maria during the last stop of my journey through Italy, in a small Sicilian village that's famous for its unusually high number of centenarians. At 94 years old, she still prepares many of the traditional family recipes she grew up with and generously shared some of them with me. This is one of them. And while this may not be what most people think of as a longevity recipe, Nonna Maria always reminds me that food is about more than nutrition. It's about tradition, and it's about enjoying life's simple pleasures, especially those rare seasonal treats that only come around once a year. So today, I'd like to share one of Nonna Maria's most cherished spring recipes with you. And there's one ingredient in this recipe that surprises almost everyone. But we'll come back to that later. In Nonna Maria's village, black elder trees with beautiful pink blossoms are very common. After my trip, I planted the same variety in my own garden, and now I can harvest them every year. But white elderflowers work just as well for this recipe. Whichever variety you use, you'll need 12 elderflower heads with their stems attached. If you don't mind, I have a quick favor to ask. As my channel is still quite new, I'd really appreciate your support. A quick like and a comment letting me know what you think of the video would mean a lot to me, and it would be a true honor to welcome you as a new subscriber. That way, you won't miss any future videos, including new episodes of my From Nonna Maria series, where I share the traditional recipes Nonna Maria so generously passed on to me. Now comes the ingredient that often surprises people: cold, light beer. Even though I don't drink beer myself, I absolutely love it in this recipe. The subtle bitterness, combined with the bright notes of lemon and the delicate aroma of elderflowers, creates a truly wonderful combination. That said, if you'd rather not use beer, sparkling water works beautifully as well. In Sicily, the batter is usually made a little thinner, just like this. To achieve the right consistency, add the beer little by little until the batter becomes smooth and lightly flowing. The advantage is that the delicate flavor of the elderflowers can really shine through without being overwhelmed by too much batter. Because this recipe is all about aroma, pure enjoyment, and that irresistible crunch. And at the end of the video, I'll take a bite for you, so you can almost hear the crunch no matter where in the world you're watching from. The batter now needs about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. While it rests, let's take care of the elderflowers. Gently shake them to give any tiny visitors a chance to escape. And whatever you do, don't wash them. That's where much of their wonderful aroma comes from. I've stayed very close to Nonna Maria's original recipe, with just one small change. She traditionally uses lard for frying, while I prefer coconut oil, which works wonderfully well and gives equally delicious results. Those long stems are actually very helpful at this stage. They make it easy to dip the flowers into the batter and gently swirl them through the hot oil until they're beautifully golden brown. Later on, we'll remove the stems, as they tend to be a little bitter and woody. And then all that's left is a dusting of powdered sugar, a little decoration, and we're ready for the crunch I've been promising you all along. This aroma is absolutely incredible. Light, crispy, fragrant, and unlike anything else. I truly hope you'll give these special little treats a try someday. And until then, thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. I'll see you in the next video. And now, enjoy the crunch.